thank you so much for your comment. And on behalf of the Bay Area Taiwanese Art Association, I welcome you to join this event. And this is a very special day because they are not just the Double 11. It's my privilege to present the Bay Area artists. They work so hard in a year long, and everyone show a special talent. From their artwork, you will realize that in our community, we have so many artists. And this year, especially, we had a ceramic. This is a new item we added. I don't think you get this anywhere in the Bay Area. So I hope that you can take your time and to enjoy it. And this time, I would like to invite all the artists to say a few words for all of you. Alex.
Hi. 我叫薛川流，从台湾来的。对，我现在的时间是一半在这里，一半在台湾。那前年我就是参加他们这个北加州的画会，原来我是在南加州的画会。本来今天也有一个林宝山，他今天不能来，因为陪太太回台湾。所以呢，就剩下我们这几个。东西都在这里，你们有什么东西想要问或者什么东西都不要客气，就尽量的问。OK， 好，谢谢。
The company, he also an engineer, and he moved from the South California to the North California. Now he's a member of this group, and he mentioned Paul Lynn. He currently in Taiwan, so cannot make it. But his artist is very special. It's an ink and pen, ink and ink drawing. It's very special. So hopefully you have time to see it next year. And next one we have Helen.
My name is Helen Rice. Getting so old. August, I just realized how old I am. But I've been painting over 40-some years. Watercolor, Chinese brush painting, and teach, and art or learning. I graduated California Art Association. No, not California Watercolor School in Berkeley. And August and lately, I just found out I was getting too old. But I never give up. I always try. And that is the wonderful thing to do, is learning art, education in degree, teach, taught, and how I enjoy teaching. And I hope you enjoy. Now I changed the style of abstract, so I hope you enjoy my painting out there. Thank you.
Helen is very unique in our community. He came to the United States, and then he bring up his family, and the kids all here, and it's very not easy. And he also went to Europe. As I know, he teach the brush painting in Europe and also in the community college. So look at Helen. It's never too late to learn, pick up your hobby. And I always trace around her age, but this year I cannot trace. It is equal double 8, okay? So she actually is the youngest, only 16 years old. Okay, next one I would like Kiang.
我是朱珠环，我画水彩还写书法。今年我是比较特别一点，7月份的时候，谢正宽从树上重重的摔下来，害我整个人都跌到谷底，呀，什么都不想了，只希望他身体健康，早日康复。还好4个月来，凭他自己的努力的做复健，还有他的意志力，终于今天我们可以在一起跟大家见面。我觉得这个惊喜对我来讲始料未及，没有想到会这么快，而且好像也比中乐特奖还要高兴。很感谢一路走来很感谢身边的亲朋好友的关怀和支持，在这里非常谢谢大家。他还有一段路要走，所以加油啦！今天在5幅，我画的是水彩，这5幅都是写意的，还有一幅那个书法，我写的是苏东坡的西林壁，我是用行书来写，希望大家会喜欢，请大家慢慢欣赏，谢谢大家的光临，谢谢。
As Ken said that I had a very bad accident in July, so I will share that with you later, okay? Next one we would like to have Ming-Mei.
Hi, thank you for coming, everyone. My name is Ming-Mei, and since this year I didn't plan. After I retired, I thought I can spend more time to painting, but end up I have too many things to work on it. Cannot focus on one thing. So, but I'm in transaction to have looking for other media. So this year I have 5 paintings, and also I have the other one, a flower pot. So next year hopefully I can have more artwork to show everybody. But everybody, welcome to spend time to look at my artwork, our artwork. Thank you.
She is a retired engineer, and I believe in our audience we have a lot of engineers in the Bay Area. So while you have time, you can pick up your pen and to practice. Thank you. Next one we have Luke.
My passion for photography goes hand in hand with my love, actually old love of traveling. We have been doing all this, kept me really busy and but happy. At home or traveling, I focus my photographic work on landscape, nature and wildlife. In making of the image, I always strive to capture that special moment, be it maybe light or color or shape and beauty or mood or imagination. And hopefully my image will reveal the greatness of nature and be inspirational to others. Thank you. And okay.
Well, you have tried to observe her artwork. You will see there's a bird. It took almost a whole year, year long, and to catch a moment, as she said, it's not easy. Yeah. Thank you. And
good morning, everybody, and thank you for coming. First of all, thank God for still giving me good enough health to travel and give me a partner to travel with. Still, in my traveling, photographing, I still focus on nature and wildlife, mainly landscape and wildlife. I continuously try to train my eye to see a picture, to see where's the picture, and then how to capture it, and how to communicate what I see, what I feel to the audience. Also, I try to create or to go a little bit beyond photography, namely try to create some kind of a mood or special rendition to make you think this is more than photography. I've been trying that for some time, and today I bring 5 images, and I hope you will like it. Thank you.
They travel around the world. If you'd like to find any place in the world it's interesting, check with Lucy and Cheng. Okay.
Well, yeah, my name is Cheng Wang Sheng. I'm a graduate from the National Taiwan University of Art. I have built my own studio down there, since 1992 up to now. What to say? Oh, when I was when I was young, I tell my parents I want to be an artist. My daddy said, "What? Wait, talk, huh? You're gonna die hungry." But unfortunately, I'm still alive right now. Well, but you can tell my hair gets thinner, so someday I will become too famous too. That I hope. Okay. Okay. This year I present a lot of stuff because there's some people absent, so I another space. So they tell me bring more stuff, come over. I said okay. So you can tell a lot of the pottery and the sculpture and the knife drawing and oil painting and some. It's all from my. Personally, I like the touch it and the philosophy and the thinking as a picture on it, and just show it in my canvas. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And then one more thing I want to tell you: when you, ladies and gentlemen, when you walk out this exhibition, don't forget to bring your beauty in your mind, carry it everywhere you go. Now make your life more beautiful and more success. All right, thank you.
That's a very good remark. Bring out the beauty of this room and go out to face your real life. And this time, Jiang. Okay, I thought I would call the vice director. She just left. Okay. This group of the artists, we really like to promote the culture for Taiwan. And I know the director cannot come, but their office called the economic and the culture. I hardly see they really promote Taiwan's culture, but we like to promote Taiwan's culture, okay? Step out, that's okay, but I will